Waterfall. The unique phenomena which exist only in our Earth planet, due it is related to water which already exists in our planet. It is known that Niagara Falls is the largest, strongest, and the greatest in the world. But there are thousands of falls all over the world classified as great falls according to many factors. Some of them are wider, higher, stronger, or even more speed or dangerous than those great falls. You can see how those falls formed and where these great falls exist. Follow, subscribe, and activate the bell to watch the whole video.